welcome to my channel. I'm Kalle from Sweden. Here you can see we are building some motorcycles, custom motorcycles. And this is my first episode. We should go around and look at each and every bike, and then you will follow me through every build and see what we are up to. I'm here building with my dad in his garage, and yeah, we have a few projects going on, and so let's check the bikes out. So here we have a motoguzzi from 88. It's a Le Mans 1000. We've changed the wheels from casted aluminum to spoke wheels. Had to change the brake calipers. Another fuel tank from England. And yeah, bits and pieces. And it has an M unit. A lot of part from Moto Gadget. Great quality. Yeah, it's a few things that need to be done. We've bought some longer Hagon rear shocks so you can get the line right. With the original length on the rear shocks, it leaned backwards. And yeah, I think almost done. It will be ready for this summer. When the weather is getting hotter, we can take it for a spin. One thing that needs to be sorted is to get the headlight down and backwards, so it gets below the fuel filler cap. Over here we have a few other projects. This one is Yamaha XS650 from 81. Caferacer. Not so much done, but it's getting there. Here we have RD350 YPS from 83. Been riding it once, and the throttle stuck open, so yeah, few damaged foot pegs. And on this bike the seat is gonna be reupholstered. Didn't turn out as I was expected, but just to redo it. Here we have a BMW R75 from 72, I believe. Longer swing arm, shorten the subframe, and painted a fuel tank. It needs repainting again. Over here we have an old Yamaha. It's my nephew's. He's 12 at the moment. It's a 125. Can't remember what model it is, but I hope it will be ready to when he is 16 and can start riding. Here we have a Yamaha XS400 behind the trash can in the corner, dirty. I put CR450 dirt bike engine in it. This is my back road bike. It's really fun on the gravel roads and on the ice at the winter. And here we have another RD350. It's from 74. Not decided what it's gonna be like yet, but my dad put all the Husky fuel tank on it, and yeah, we will see where it ends up. We have a BSA C11 from 53, 250. We've redid the frame. It's gonna be a board tracker. with a split fuel tank, one of the halves. We're gonna put the fuel in one side and the electrics and battery on the other side. If you don't know what a board tracker is, go check some videos out on YouTube, and it's damn cool. Read up on the history. Today we're gonna look at this valve cover. We're gonna degrease it, then we're gonna prime it and eventually paint it black. The small covers to the valves is gonna be brushed aluminum. That's today's project, I believe. So this is the compression lifter, so you can kick around to the right place so you can get the bike started. And this solution, I don't know, the previous owner must have been lazy or something. We're gonna put the new one up at the handlebar. Quick and easy. So what I also did now, I dremeled out the stud holes. They were full of shit. Then I took this knife, bent it slightly, real sharp, and just went through all the gasket surface. Be careful not to scratch it too deep like someone did here. It's not the best shape, but it will do, it will seal up. So now I'm gonna put these back, old, rusty, ugly, just for when we paint it. These are gonna be changed. These are the bolts to have the spindle and the rocker. So just have to be finger tight. Then I'm gonna go over it with some strong solution before paint. It goes away straight away. Yeah, I think it's gonna look awesome. And how you prep for paint, it's very important to degrease it. You mask it off, you just put masking tape on, lean it on the edge, and just with a sharp knife go around it. It will leave a good result every time. And that's how you mask it. Degreased, masked off, yeah, ready for paint. gonna change the rubber seals when we get the new gasket set. But I just wanna finish it so I can see how it looks. So that's it for the first episode. I think I'm gonna try to upload once or twice a week, depending how much time I have. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. Leave your feedback in the comments below. Tell me what you think about this channel and where it can take us. Till next time.